Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make butter from malai. Start with collecting malai, which is the layer of cream that forms on top of boiled milk. Skim it off and store it in an airtight container in your refrigerator for a few days until you have a sufficient amount, perhaps 2 to 3 cups. Before you begin the butter making process, it's crucial to let the malai sit out at room temperature for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. This helps achieve the best churning results. Now, transfer your room temperature malai into a large mixing bowl. You can use a hand blender, a stand mixer, or even a traditional wooden churner. Begin churning the malai at a medium speed. You'll notice it first thickens, then becomes frothy, and after about 10 to 15 minutes, the butter solids will start to separate from the buttermilk. Keep going until you see clear separation. Once the butter solids have clearly separated, use your clean hands to gather the butter. Gently press and squeeze the butter to remove as much of the buttermilk as possible. This step is important for the butter's texture and shelf life. You'll be left with a beautiful, fresh lump of homemade butter. Don't discard the liquid. That's fresh buttermilk, perfect for baking or drinking. To ensure your butter lasts longer and tastes pure, wash it thoroughly under cold, running water. Knead the butter gently while rinsing to remove any last traces of buttermilk. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times until the water runs clear. Once washed, shape your fresh butter as desired and store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for about 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.